Well, I just wanted to share you this moment. This is going to be the porch stain floor, paint that I'm using on the floor. Stain and sealer. And we got this pretty, it's a hunter green here. And yeah, so today it is the 2nd of May, but it is a little bit gonna, like they say, the afternoon might have rain like around 6. It's about 1 o'clock right now, so this paint says it'll dry in 4 hours, so hopefully I can get this on at least the first coat on the deck. And I'm gonna use this long roller, paint roller, I think, and then I might brush a few areas. But yay, I can't wait. Hi guys, well, now I'm outside on the porch, on the deck here, and I'm gonna put some paint on this deck. Let's get her done. Touch up around the edges and then the cracks, what I can't get on the first coat. I just want to get a first coat down because it's supposed to rain in about 4 hours from now. So door. I did wash this last night, this deck, but only up until this point, because from here over I gotta move garden tools and everything, and I figured once one side dried, then I can move things over to the opposite side. I have to move you somewhere else now. Okay, now I have to set you down a second here. Once I get so close, then I'm going to have to just probably paint this here by hand. I'll see. Thank God this is water washable. But this is so memorable. Look at this. Lovely paint. So this here bottom is going to be a flat, as the rails are glossy. I don't know how that's going to look, but at least they all match. They're the same color. But he said on the steps you want to have a flat, or a flat matte instead of a glossy. And I believe him, because he deals in paint in the Home Depot there. I just wish the weather would cooperate around here. It's always either raining, snowing, cloudy. Today's a good day for clouds though, because he said don't put this on in the bright sun. So today's really a perfect day if I can hold the rain off till this thing dries. Even one coat's better than nothing. But when you know, washing a deck and then you're waiting for it to dry, and then they say you have to wait 24 hours. Well, we don't have a pressure washer, but what I did was I just took buckets of soapy water and sort of threw it on and took my broom and kind of went over it. Now I'm going to go this way with the roller. Trying to go in the same direction as the grain, but it's tough with one hand too. And I don't want to spill my paint. Oh, that would be horrible. Let's see if I can get my foot up here. Okay. Look at those drips down there. That's okay. I'll get those in between with little brushes. I'll do the best I can do. I tell you, it looks better already though. Look at that. Pretty how it's drying nicely. Okay, now for the last step here. Let's see. I'm going to reposition. Okay, got everything on the bottom. Now, let's see. I think I'm going to try to roll this on too. As much as I can. That way it'll be nice and smooth. And then I just touch it all up with the brush afterward. We're getting her done. Getting her done, guys. Look at this. That was pretty neat. This way. Ooh, that board's a little loose. Ooh, I don't want to go too much. All right. It's getting windy here. Sorry about the wind. Yeah, that's good. I love painting. Something so satisfying about it. Seeing something that looked old and decrepit down to something beautiful and new again. How's that looking good here? I can go over any parts with the other grain. You see it's not going to match here. Yeah, let's see here. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's a Monday, so everybody's probably working again. The ones that are working. Maybe some are working at home, or some of you might have jobs outside of the home. Oops, get up there. Yeah, I'll definitely have to be some touch-ups here. But that's okay. I'm not going to worry about it. Like they say, don't sweat small stuff. Almost tripped into my bucket. All right. Looking good, looking good. I figured I'd get my little brush in there. But I'm going to do that. I'm not going to film all that because it's a lot of work with one hand. So hopefully you like this video. Look at that. Look what we got done. Got the outside done yesterday. So yes, it's coming along. But yay. Look at how pretty it's drying. Let me show you. As soon as I get my paint out of the way, look at that. It's looking so good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love yourself and others as always. And if you need a prayer, put it in the comments. I'll be glad to pray for you for anything. Alright, thank you so much. Take care guys. Bye-bye.